What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as we can see, it did have a very significant rollover over the past few weeks, didn't it? Basically going into that huge dump that we did see on the 4th of December here for Bitcoin, where we did see Elrond fall from around $350 all the way down to around $225, where it did find a bit of support on this previous swing low area here. Down at around that $225 level, you can see a strong level of support in this area, where we were basically coiling up before, weren't we? You can see here, we basically had that huge coil up, the breakout and the back test, and then we came up, we ranged for a bit. We had the huge explosion with the Maya exchange, but obviously the problems with the Maya exchange were leading to quite a significant sell-off, and then also obviously with the market conditions that we did see, we saw Elrond basically roll all the way back down to this previous swing low from an all-time high of around $550, by the way. Currently trading now back up at around $310 and having a decent bounce off the bottom. But overall, it looks like Elrond has had a very significant rollover over the past few weeks. On the hourly time frame, you can see a bit more about what's going on here. Basically, we had that consolidation period, a bit of a back test, the massive run up with the exchange. We sold off back down to that previous all-time high swing. And you can see here, this $400 level failed to basically hold as support. We come down, we held it, but then we lost it. We come all the way down to the previous all-time high around that $330 level here. And then that was about the time when the market did start to roll over. So we actually rolled even further down for Elrond. As we said, down to that 225 swing low. Got a decent recovery off the bottom here. We got back up above that $300 level, which was pretty key in our opinion. And then we come down again, back down and retest that swing low at around $260. Back up, down, up and down. And we're basically just ranging right now, aren't we, for Elrond? As basically the market tries to figure out what it wants to do. But essentially we've got something like this, you know, support, resistance, support. And then we are just kind of what looks like to be coiling up potentially into something like this, where we could be, you know, coiling up into a bit of a pennant formation here. And obviously with the pattern as it is, this would have actually a continuation pattern to the downside. But looking as though potentially here, we are actually starting to break out to the upside right now, move back towards this this local swing high at the top of the range at $330, which would obviously be really good. And we can see quite clearly, if we look at our RSI and our histogram, got some bullish divergences here. Obviously the momentum to the downside weakening all the time, despite coming down and making, you know, similar lows here. This is actually probably a lower low if you actually don't include wicks. Making lower lows on the chart, higher lows on the RSI and the histogram, bullish divergences all over the place. Also the Bitcoin shorts are closing all the time. We're actually getting less and less shorts every day. So it looks as though we may be out of the worst of it in terms of Bitcoin rolling over. Seems quite likely that we're probably going to see Bitcoin start to trickle back to the upside pretty soon. And if that's the case, then obviously most cryptos are going to benefit from that as well. So overall, Elrond, obviously, from a purely technical perspective, we can see it just got horribly overextended with a parabolic move to the upside. And especially with the market conditions compounding the issue, we did see a big rollover to retest support here. But we came down, we wicked down to that 225 area, got the Renaissance bounce to the upside now. And now we're basically looked as though we are coiling up and breaking back to the upside inside this range. So short-term price predictions then, we'll keep things very short and sweet, as we say. If we roll over here, we're looking at the bottom of the range at around $260, $265 as support. If we move to the upside, we've got that $330 resistance we want to see retested. And if we break out of that, obviously, we've got that 127 extension again at that $375 level that we do want to get back up towards. And as we always say, we really do think Elrond is a top quality project in our opinion. And we really do think that $1,000 by the end of the bull run is not that unlikely at all. We already have an all-time high of $550. That's only a 2x of the all-time high. This is a top quality project in our opinion. And considering how much DeFi is about to come to Elrond, it's probably going to start doing very well. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.